a reunion between past and present. An old 18th century rural house, long dormant, breathes again with light, fluidity, and a courtyard that now organizes daily life. At the heart of the Dar It-Tarag Residence, designed by Periti Studio, a sculptural concrete staircase sets the tone for this transformation, respecting what is essential and stitching together what was missing, so that the house can once again be lived in. Entering through the narrow street of Naxxar, Malta, the sequence unfolds calmly. Local stone walls, old wooden beams, arches, and stone slab ceilings define the atmosphere. The courtyard, now reimagined, acts as a daily threshold where the light shifts throughout the day, where the wings meet, and where the interior paths begin and end. The concrete staircase is not merely a link between floors. It connects the two upper wings, frees areas once occupied within the courtyard, and creates a contemporary gesture that dialogues with the historic shell. Its form, deliberately new, does not attempt to disguise itself. It asserts the time in which it was made, and precisely because of that, enhances the authenticity of the whole. Originally divided into 3 wings around the courtyard, the house now gains unity of use and perception. Circulations that were once fragmented have become continuous, and the rooms now connect interior and exterior spaces naturally. The result is a clearer rhythm of living: to enter, to cross, to dwell, to cook, to climb, to rest, always with the courtyard as reference. The kitchen relies on easy-to-maintain surfaces, while the dining area benefits from views of the courtyard. The living rooms are warm and uncomplicated, with proportioned openings that balance privacy and light. Openings and skylights were carefully positioned to bring natural light into the deeper areas and to take advantage of the most favorable winter orientation. Along with double-glazed frames, insulated ceilings, and thermally efficient walls, the house maintains comfort with reduced dependence on artificial systems. The courtyard ceases to be just a central void and becomes part of daily life. A place for morning coffee, drying clothes in the sun, watching children play, tending to a plant or a tree. It is the house's microclimate, a place of shade and breeze that guides activities throughout the day and across the seasons. In the bedrooms, daylight arrives filtered, and silence is preserved by the thickness of the historic walls. The interventions follow a clear principle: to preserve what holds value, restore what remains sound, and add only what is necessary in a legible and reversible way. The house maintains its vernacular elements while discreetly incorporating new structures, systems, and environmental strategies that do not compete with the memory of the place. The material language is precise. Restored local stone, recovered original wood, and preserved masonry coexist with carefully plastered exposed concrete, glass planes, and clean finishes. Where the new meets the old, the design is attentive joints, reveals, and shadows mark the passage of time without visual noise. Throughout the day, the journey repeats with subtle variations. Crossing the courtyard, encountering the staircase, seeing light enter from above, sensing the texture of stone and the touch of wood. The path is always the same, yet the shadows change, and that sustains the feeling of a living home. Dar It-Tarag Residence is a work of balance, rigor in conservation and freedom in invention, allowing the house to flow, breathe, and return to everyday life. A preserved historic shell, a bright and functional interior, and a courtyard that, more than a geometric center, is the heart of the home.